Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Marvel intro in Blender. First, ensure you have Blender installed on your computer. It is a powerful, free software. Next, find a suitable font that closely resembles the iconic Marvel Studios logo. Finally, gather any background images or video clips you wish to use for your intro's visual backdrop. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth workflow. Now, let's bring your logo to life. Begin by adding two separate text objects in Blender, one for Marvel and one for Studios. Apply your chosen font and then extrude the text to give it a solid, three-dimensional appearance. Next, animate these text elements to sweep into view, creating that signature dramatic reveal. Utilize keyframes to precisely control the speed and timing of each letter's entrance. With your text animated, it is time to refine the visuals. Implement a classic three-point lighting setup to illuminate your logo effectively. Apply metallic or highly reflective materials to your text objects, giving them that distinct, polished appearance. Introduce volumetric lighting, like a subtle fog or haze, to build a truly cinematic and immersive atmosphere. Fine-tune the intensity and color of your lights to perfectly capture the iconic Marvel aesthetic. Almost there. Carefully position your camera to capture the most dynamic angles of your animated logo. Animate the camera itself to follow the text's reveal, adding another layer of professional polish. Next, dive into Blender's powerful compositor to apply color grading, add subtle lens flares, or other visual effects. Finally, render your masterpiece as a high-quality video file, ready to impress with your custom Marvel intro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.